This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noragon.com to learn more.
Working with Tess has taught me that she's a prolific conversationalist. She has a gift for weaving together stories and ideas, sometimes for hours on end. I don't even have to say anything. Every once in a while, though, she'll drop a really great idea, and I just have to catch it before she moves on to the next topic.
And then that's when I realized that we should probably install automatic tire inflation systems on our trailers so that we don't keep running into that problem.
Wait, whoa. What did you just say?
What did I say?
Installing the ATIS on the trailers. That's a great idea. Yeah, we've been running into that problem a lot. That would save us a whole host of service issues. Would you want to get those ordered?
I mean, yeah, I can get them ordered. I just have to get online real quick. Oh, by the way, did I tell you about that Amazon package that I tried to get delivered last week? Wrong size in the clothes. Wrong size. I talk a lot, so I've learned to just tune myself out. Hey everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Tess.
And I'm Jason.
Capturing the right data and using software that provides actionable insight is crucial to fleets improving their shop operations. It can be hard though when there's so much data rolling in to consider. We have some tips to help get you started.
First, identify key performance indicators, KPIs. Fleets should be able to identify the KPI that matters most to their shop's operations. So in a broad sense, this could mean metrics such as downtime, repair time, parts usage, technician productivity. However, depending on application, there may be some aspects to keep an eye on.
For example, tire pressure and tire wear is a key metric for any fleet to track. By closely monitoring these metrics, fleets can identify areas that need improvement and take steps to address them. Tread depth is another tire metric to monitor. As tires wear, they become less effective at gripping the road, a problem you're not going to want to run into on a busy street. Wheel alignment and tire rotation can additionally be watched to ensure optimal handling and performance.
Then there are APIs, application program interfaces, that help by pooling the data into a dashboard of your choice. That brings that tire data together with, say, engine fault code data, and that can help you make more informed service decisions.
That can lend itself to up-and-coming predictive maintenance solutions that can help fleets anticipate maintenance needs before they become major issues.
But how can you ensure you're capturing the right data using the right software to stay on track with that? Well, yep, we got the experts at Noragon once again to give us some insights.
Capturing and analyzing the correct data can be crucial for fleet managers to make informed decisions and optimize their shop operations. Here are some tips on how to do that. First of all, we must identify key performance indicators or KPIs. KPIs may include vehicle uptime, maintenance cost, repair time, or a variety of other factors. Once you determine what those KPIs are, then you can decide what data that you need to identify. Next, it's important to choose the correct diagnostic software tool like JPro, which can make the process much easier to align with the fleet's goals and specific KPIs. Diagnostic software must be user-friendly while providing actionable insights that are easy to comprehend. Another option to consider is integrating remote diagnostics. Telematics devices can power these remote diagnostic applications that provide valuable data on the vehicle's health, safety, and performance status. Integrating remote diagnostic software like TripVision can be extremely helpful to capture real-time data and monitor vehicle performance. It's also important to train staff on data collection and analysis. Training is extremely important to accurately capture data and use it effectively. Continuous training should be provided by fleet managers and other key staff members to successfully utilize fleet management software. This will help them to interpret data to make informed decisions. Finally, you must continuously review and refine data collection. As commercial vehicles continue to become more complex, you must ensure that your diagnostic tools must keep pace. This means selecting a tool that includes regular coverage updates that lets you view data from the newest systems on the newest vehicle, while offering coverage to continue to diagnose and repair them.
All right, well, I think that just about covers it.
Looks like it. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, speaking of watching, you have to check out this new show I found. Talk about drama. Main character, she talks a little too much though. First, we start out on a yacht. They all work on the yacht and they have to deal with these pretentious, really rich people. And they're always not that nice. So they have to like be friendly to all these people that are being really mean to them. Again, you really don't.